we're back on the extension build. Drains today, and hopefully get some hardcore in there later on in the week. So we're getting straight to it. We think the pipe comes, I think it came because we found it, I think it come about there in a straight line, so straight line, probably there, and we think it goes out there, so I'm going to dig right here and we'll see if we can find pipe on it. Problem is there's an actual water pipe down there as well, and there's a gas pipe there, so I don't know whether it all runs into the same, so we're going to have to be very careful where we dig. Hopefully we don't hit all. What do you reckon there? Yeah. Yeah, that lead pipe, that's it there, isn't it? That goes off down there, doesn't it? Yep. But that drain, surely the drain don't go off. Got quite a depth there, so I reckon I think we're a foot down for that pipe if it's there. I think we've got another foot. And then do I take 2 more scoops and then we'll have a bash with shovel? I'm just having a poke around because it's quite deep, that.
So
pretty damn deep, isn't it? So what is we, a metre deep? Surely it goes straight. Surely. I swear it will, like right on that corner there. So it'd be right on this corner here, which would be right where Tim is there. Right where he's digging. That's a very deep hole and no pipe. I'm starting to think, does it turn and go under house or something? It's very strange. Yeah, I just had a dig, so that's water table, that, so it ain't there. Only thing I can think of is digging back from here. That corner there. It's the only thing we can do, I reckon. Dig that, fill that.
Dig that, fill that.
Yeah, but it all fills up with water.
Yep.
You ain't getting any higher than that though, so just rock into it. Got a well though, like we had there. Nice. Decided to go that way a bit with it, see if we could find out, and nothing. We've found one cover here, look. I don't know what that is, but as you can see, it's in line with that, not in line with that. So does it go under the corner of the house? We're going to dig this out and see if there's any pipes in it. It could be out though. Could be a water meter, could be anything. And then there's a big chamber here and a big grate there. We'll have to have a look at this. This is starting to turn into a major problem now. Big hole here, big hole there, no drain. Oh, I'm real stressed out now. It's doing me head in. It's supposed to be a nice, easy job. I cannot find it. It should be there. It's getting wet, so means we're nearly at water table again. Right, back at house now. If we don't find a drain right front, the only option is to go down here, all the way around, all the way into this chamber here. See, that's the chamber, and then it'll go back round, down, and then through. Tim's laughing. Yeah. What the hell?
Not good.
There's a pipe. That looks like it just goes into that. Is it just like a
He said it's an inspection chamber.
for that?
More than likely.
Yeah, looks like it bends off under that. It'll be like for cleaning that out or something under the air,
Yeah.
or air hole to it so it sucks it down or something.
You need to get that one up.
No, we can't lift that.
I got it.
Because it'll just be, that'll go about 20 feet deep. Well, that's the end of day one. I got a little bit of that dug because that goes down there to there. Right, it's another day, another morning. I dug another 2 foot out to try and find it, and nah, it's not there. So I dug that. So all that's been dug right down to the water table. So I'm not going further than water table because that would give us some right problems. But if we have a look on plan, look, so that is the assumed drain, which we cannot find. And then it goes, he's got it all way going round anyway. So what the plan is, I'm not wasting any more time on it. We put a manhole there, we do go round like that, but we couple it back here instead of into this one here. Because I think it's that deep that it's under the water table, and then that would just mean real big problems for us trying to sort of pipe out water table, because it'd just fill up with water, and then we'd have to build a brick manhole that'd like a tank to stop it coming in, which would just be an absolute mare. And then we'd be that low, there'd be a big drop into it. So yeah, we're not doing that. We're going to go round, all the way round. Sorted, we'll do that. Going round. Right, day two's over with. We've got all that in, and we've run it basically all the way around, so it's looking pretty good. Corner there, and then down there, that just needs straightening up, so couldn't get digger in right, but it's not bad. Pick up some stuff tomorrow and we can start sorting these drains out, and I've got some pea gravel, so yeah, bring on tomorrow. I don't know to just use a 15 on it. I think 15 would be better.
15 will be here.
Yeah, 15's about right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Some more
A
shit.
bit more gloop. Bit of gloopy gloopy.
I don't think it's coming off us.
Shit it out.
Yeah. Yeah, we're in. That's alright, that's a good. Right, I've got a block on here, 25mm, of length at level, gives us around 180, just a tad less, because this is 1200, not a metre, which it should be perfecto. So we're just going to test it, then we'll get some bedding under, so it needs to go same down, so we could get a bit of that muck out there. Yeah, it's going too much. Have I got it right way? Oh no, hang on, I've got it wrong fucking way. Have I? No, I haven't. No, it's right. It's right. Yeah, down at that end a bit. We need to be like there, like barely out. Yeah. That's it. That's right.
By the way, I've got it.
Yeah. That's saying good at that. gonna shove that on the pipe and level it out as well. We're just getting it in there for now. And this one into a thing, into a manhole. We don't know if we can put drains into it. It does say Soakaway, but all the other drains go into it. So we're having a bit of a dilemma and trying to have it out with Inspector a bit to see if we can, so we don't have to fanny about with a Soakaway down there. We'll see later on. We should find out. Straight on that. Put that in. That's not bad. We just need a bit more of these this pebbles, which is coming tomorrow. So they're coming in morning, and then I forgot to pick up 2 tees. I need one for here. I need a tee for there so I can go into there, and there's this to sort that into there, which will have a drain up there, and then that bath pipe will go into it as well. Then round here, that goes into there, and then same there. I forgot to pick the tees up, so that'll go there, and then it'll have a tee there, and then it'll have a soil stack there for other bathroom, and that'll just have to go into that socket right down there. Not bad, not bad, pretty good. Just been filling it in, me and Josh, but we decided let's test it first because it's too late. If it'll take absolutely hours for that to come right back. It'll take ages, absolutely ages.
Yeah, it's coming through.
Oh, we've got it. And then down here, we're better testing it first. Have we got any toilet roll to put down, or Josh? That was way too much toilet roll. You just blocked it up now. Has it gone down?
Yeah.
Let's put half a chuffing roll of toilet roll down it. Well, if it comes through at that, then we know we're good. Isn't it? There we go. And that was a great chunk, so it should. We got it pretty good to the 140. It's all breaking up now. Look. There we go. It's coming. Big lump of toilet roll.
Have a look then, shall we? Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
Bit brock up then.
There we go.
Oh crap, that's a right flow.
Might as well put these on. Tim's just chiselling out there. Rubbers for these. That's it, I got that one in. It goes pretty steep, but it's on it rainwater that. Same with these, they're a bit steep these ones, but there's not what we can do about them. And then we've got that one, so we've got them all done now. So just need to fill in. Oh yeah, he's having like, he wants us to dig this out. Well, we've got a digger for a patio later on. And dig that off. Then, that's filled to there, look. Manhole here. We've just got that end to sort out when we need to get rid of this muck and stuff, and it needs a cable through there. That's why we haven't filled that bit in, but pretty good. are just cleaning this out because we've got 10 tons of hardcore
20.
coming. 20. No. No, 10, but we might need 20. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So that's it for this one, guys. Subscribe, like, drop us a comment, hype, and I'll see you in the next one. So this is a quick sneaky peek on what we're doing next. We're 10 ton of hardcore in here. Whack it. And we've got a wagon coming with concrete. We're going to pour it all in with the pump and get it all prepped, and then it'll have Kingspan on and the underfloor heating, then another screed on top of that. But we'll do the next video next week, get the concrete in. Catch you later.